What if you could change the art on your walls with the press of a button? Meet Fraimic's Smart Canvas, where you can instantly change your art via your voice or phone. Utilize Fraimic's voice-to-vision technology, powered by OpenAI, or upload your art through a simple website and display in any orientation. Fraimic makes it effortless. Our e-ink Spectra 6 display looks like paint on canvas. Unlike other digital frames, Fraimic has a multi-year battery and can fit in any frame. It elevates your space with art that reflects your unique style. Fraimic's versatility complements any decor. Experience art in your own way. Fraimic is more than a frame. It's your personal canvas. Fraimic. Order now and display anything on the world's smartest e-ink canvas.